Nicole's baby is due in 4 weeks' time. She's packing her hospital bag so it's ready when she goes into labour.
So I'm going to do my hospital bag just so everything's prepared and I don't have to run around and get everything ready just before I'm about to give birth. This is my second hospital bag, so I roughly know what to pack, but I'm using the guidelines from the NHS website, but then I'm also using a few things that I learnt from the first pregnancy. Put my towel. So I'm going to put my wash bag. I might as well put my flannel so you can have a wash afterwards. I'm going to put some cream in there as well and deodorant. Something loose and comfortable to wear. So, pair of pyjamas, slippers, comfortable shoes, flip-flops, 5 or 6 pairs of pants. There's a pack of pants here in a very large size. Comfortable outfit for coming home. So a really comfy pair of leggings and they're stretchy, really stretchy. If it gets colder I'll put a jumper in, but at the moment I've just got a cardigan and a vest. 24 absorbent sanitary towels. You can buy maternity towels, you don't have to just look for really thick towels. So I'm going to pack some dry snacks and I can put them in the bag for however long. I don't have to worry about them going bad or anything. 2 or 3 nursing bras. This is a nursing bra. So it has little clips that you to pop open when you want to feed. They're quite comfortable. I actually prefer them to my normal bra. I'm going to put breast pads in. My milk came early with Noah, so I'm just going to put a few breast pads in. Things to help me pass the time. I've got a set of cards. I'm going to put my iPad in there. I'm going to put this book in as well. Baby's clothes. The mittens are to prevent him from scratching his face. They're so cute and tiny. And the hat is just so that they keep warm. They use a lot of their body heat from their head, so the hat keeps them warm. And the few baby grows. Packed a cardigan, just in case. And I put a full-on winter suit just in case it gets too hot, too cold. But I've got a shawl as well for him. Put some nappies and things in here later.
Remember also to take your maternity notes so the midwives and doctors have all the information they need about you and your baby.